it's me Ashley and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing the unboxing of November's Birchbox. So then, as ever, I haven't actually opened it yet. I know very little about it. I know that it's themed on the Disney Nutcracker. Is it Disney? Anyway, the box is themed on that, and inside we get a Manicadar roll-on eyeshadow, which was our sneak peek from last month's box. Okay then, so without further ado, I will snip it open and speed through me opening it for you guys. Okay then, so I think we can actually get in from this end. I've overlapped it a little there. Okay then, so I'm just going to slide it out. Here then we have our beautiful box for this month. It's the Birchbox Disney, the Nutcracker and the Four Realms. And it's beautiful like gold accents that are very shimmery with a purple and red design. Very pretty. Okay then, let's slide the little drawer open and see what we've got inside. Okay, so we get a little information leaflet first, and then inside are our products for this month. So as ever then, I will talk you through the leaflet. I will go through each product one by one with you guys and let you know what my first impressions are. So then, the Birchbox cost me £12 and £95 a month. It's a subscription where I think everybody gets something a little different. They try and base it around you. So hopefully I've got some appropriate products in here this month. So the information about this month's box is on the actual front this time, it's not on the inside. So it says, this month we're so excited to have teamed up with Disney to celebrate the release of the Nutcracker and the Four Realms. In cinemas now, the story follows Clara as she journeys through a mystical parallel world in search of a secret key. Join the fun and unlock your inner explorer as we take you on your own beauty adventure with the treats inside your November Birchbox. From snowflake fresh skincare to dazzling makeup treats, get ready to embrace the magic of beauty and start the party season in style. Ooh. Okay then, let's see what we've got in. So our very first product then is the Manicadar Cosmetics Diamond Dust Roller Shadow in Pixie or Enchanted. And you did get the chance to choose, but I didn't because I didn't really know which one I wanted. So let's see what I've got. I have got Pixie, which appears to be the paler of the two. So that's pretty, it looks really pretty from first impressions. So then this one is a full-size item, and at the recommended retail price it would cost you £15. So I'll just let you know what the little write-up on this says. Add a touch of sparkle and shine to your eyeshadow game with this shimmering treat. The rollerball packaging guarantees smooth, easy application and long-lasting colour without any mess or fuss. Just glide it over your eyelids, no brushes required. Feeling bold? Experiment by applying on top of your cheekbones or over a glossy lip. Ooh, interesting. Okay, I'm actually going to go ahead and give this a little open and see what it swatches like. Okay then, so I've just taken the packaging off, and it is like it says, a little rollerball. Okay, it's quite a bright, shimmery kind of colour. Very subtle really, I suppose. I do like it actually, it looked pretty. Now, as to what it'll look like on my eyelids, I'm not sure, but I do think it looks like a really pretty colour. And I've had products from Manicadar before that I've been really impressed with, so I'm looking forward to trying this. Okay then, our next product is this Lottie London Slay All Day Long Wear Lip Liner Pencil in #TBT. Okay, so I love Lottie London products. Their setting powder is my absolute favourite, the Ready Set Go. So I'll just let you know what this says. Just as important as the lipstick you choose to wear, the lip liner you pair with it. Rich in pigment and long wearing, this one will help you keep your colour exactly where you want it. The universally flattering shade will play nicely with your existing lippies, and it's so soft and creamy that you can use it to fill your entire pout. Okay, so that sounds nice. And this one is a full-size item again, and it retails at £3.95. Moving on to our next item then, we have a Polar Night Cream, and it comes in this little tube. It's not a full-size item, but you do get, does it say, 25 mils in here. It seems like a decent little size. And if you were to get it at full size, it would cost you £32. It doesn't say actually how much you get in the full size, but you know, I think it's a decent little size really. It's not a disappointing sample size. So the write-up on this one says, effectively a great night's sleep in a pot. This moisturiser works to brighten your skin overnight. Enriched with the boreal algae, an ingredient that reacts to the blue light of the moon to boost cell renewal. You'll wake to a plump, healthy looking complexion. Just apply generously to clean skin before bed. So it sounds like a lovely like overnight mask or moisturiser, and I do like to apply some nice face cream or, you know, some kind of mask overnight, serum even. So that sounds really nice. I'm not sure about the whole power of the moon thing. I do sleep with the curtain shut, so the moon's not going to get in there. I don't know if that's just like, I don't know, some daft description that they've come up with. But you know, I am looking forward to trying that actually, so happy so far. So then the next item we get in our box is this Wonder Kiss Essential Lip Scrub with Hydrolock technology. Okay, so this one is a full-size item yet again, and it retails at £14.95. So the little write-up on this says, you probably have a scrub for your face, but what about for your lips? They can be prone to drying out and cracking, which means they could benefit from some exfoliation too. Formulated with a sugar and shea butter, apply this generously, then remove the residue with a tissue to slough off dead skin and leave lips soft and supple. Okay, so for the winter, I think this is a really nice product. You know, you do have to kind of keep your lips smooth. They do dry out a lot in the winter. I currently use a Barry M lip scrub, but you know, I'm always open to trying new things. This one comes in a pen form with the look of it, like a little chubby stick. It seems, I'm looking forward to using that. I think it will be nice. So quite happy with the box so far. Let's see what our last item is. Okay then, our last item is this Space Masks Self-Heating Eye Mask. And this one again is a full size, but it's going to have to be if it's a mask. And it costs £3.50. So it says on here, unwinding from a stressful day isn't always as easy as it sounds. When you're struggling to switch off, reach for this relaxing space mask infused with mood-calming jasmine. A thin layer of iron fillings inside the mask entwine with the oxygen molecules in the air, causing the mask to heat up for soothing results. And relax. Okay, so that sounds really nice. It also sounds a little bit different, which I'm always up for. So I will look forward to trying that. You know, my eyes are always after a little pick-me-up, so that will be nice. Okay then, so this is the box in total and our little products. I'm actually really happy with this month's box. I think we've got some fantastic products, and not only that, but we have 4 out of the 5 are full-size items. And to be honest, this isn't a little item. I'm actually quite happy with the size of this one. So really, really pleased. Like I say, the Manicadar looks really pretty, and I think it'll be nice on my eyes. I love Lottie London products, and I look forward to using the lip liner. The overnight mask sounds really nice. The lip scrub sounds like it's going to be super useful for this weather. And the space mask sounds like something different. So I'm really excited to try all of those products. Hopefully they'll turn out as good as they seem. Okay then, just before I leave you, I will just check out if there is a sneak peek for next month on the back. Now, I have actually been having Birchbox for a full year now. Next month will be my 13th Birchbox. So, okay then, so the December sneak peek is pick your full-size Larizzi Cosmetics long-lasting liquid lipstick, which is worth £20. And you get a choice of Power or Tidal, a non-drying matte formula that delivers an intense colour as the name suggests, and it stays put. Keep an eye on your inbox and you can pick your favourite. Okay, so I think they look like a reddy colour and like a nudie pink kind of colour. They both look really pretty actually. I'm not sure which one I'll go for. I do like the kind of nudie colour, but the redder one I think will be nicer for Christmas. So we shall wait and see. Okay then guys, so I'm happy with this month's box. Now what I will just mention is when I first started doing my unboxings, I also did kind of my final thoughts like a few weeks later. I haven't done that for the last 2 boxes, but basically the video that I did do reviewing my final thoughts got probably one of my least viewed videos ever. So if people aren't interested, I thought that I won't like bother reviewing it any more than that. But if you know anybody is interested in me doing that, then please drop a comment and let me know. I'd hate to think that somebody sat there waiting for my review and I'm not doing it. I will be happy to do it because I will be trying all the items in the box. But similarly, I do have a lot of other video ideas to film, so If people are more interested in those, then I will just move on with those. Let me know what you think below, whether I should or shouldn't bother with that. Anyway then guys, as ever, if you've liked the video, then please hit that like button and give me a huge thumbs up. And if you haven't already, then please subscribe. It would be fantastic to have you here, and tell your friends, because that giveaway of mine is coming very soon. And until then, thank you very much for watching, and I will see you soon. Bye bye.